You got it. You know Jackson? She said, let's show the kids at 89 Q for science.
I got this Discover Your Passion scholarship. I'll explain at the end of the show what a scholarship is. What's your favorite type of science? Volcanoes. Okay, so volcanology. I kind of like physics.
Barry's going to show us a physics demonstration. On the count of 3, can we say physics? 1, 2, 3. Very good. And we know physics is the kind of science that talks about how things move around. Mass on one side of your body, you put an equal amount, and just like Jackson's doing, you try to make it easy to find your center of gravity.
I'm kind of long-sided with this bike.
Now take a look. When we add the weights, it's easy to find Barry's center of gravity. It's right underneath his unicycle wheels. There we go. All right. Evenly on his floor. You can see him. Whoa! Can you see him riding back and forth?
Do you like chemistry? Most people think of science as like chemistry. Guys in lab coats with Erlenmeyer flasks. No, that's not really what the show's about.
Is it about science?
Yeah.
You remember he told you we were going to look at some chemistry? And at the bottom of one of the cups, I had a special powder. A powder called polyacrylate. You want to touch that real soft? Ooh. Now walk backwards. What are you turning first? What happened to the water? What did you do? You guys see the water go in here? Yeah. Did you see it come back out? Who wears diapers? Babies.
Yeah, and
right?
also astronauts.
And astronauts. This powder we find in babies' diapers.
Have you seen a Mad Science show?
No.
It's very entertaining.
Sometimes we don't know what the chemicals are, so an indicator can change color. Show them how it turns blue. Go ahead. Oh man, that is awesome. I love science. Do you love science?
You guys rock!
It does. It says you guys rock. Let's see. You guys rock. Oh my goodness. Binky wrote his message in something called an indicator. Can you say indicate?
Indicate.
That's a big word. Do you know what it means to indicate something? It means to show us something. Indicate where the ceiling is. Indicate where you are. So when you indicate something, you point it out to me, and our indicator helped us reveal that hidden message. Can we try a little physics demonstration? In a special part of the circus called the sideshow are really weird experiments.
Yeah.
Really weird attractions. Things like people swallowing swords, or breathing fire. At some circuses, you can see people lie down on a bed full of nails. I don't know if you can hear Jackson, but he's telling everybody, we've got a couple of hundred very sharp nails. What would this kind of arrangement of nails be called in math?
An array.
An array. Can you say array? Huh? Because we've got an even grouping of nails. What if we made Jackson sit his tushy down on this? You really want to do this? Are you sure about this? All right, hold on. 2 hands. All right, lift your feet off the ground. Whoa! How's it feel? It feels good? Let's explain the science. Stand up. Stand up, show them your tushy. Let's make sure it's okay. All right.
Well, if there was just one nail,
One nail.
I would get very injured. But now that there's a lot of nails and a lot more surface area, that means there's more area. Less than 1 millimeter, which is the space between my fingers.
Jackson sits down on it, his weight spreads out evenly, and so he doesn't have to worry about that happening to his tushy.
Do you really think we're mad? Just kidding.
You guys! because the surface area of the balloon spreads out so evenly over all those pins, it doesn't pop. Here, we don't have the even distribution of pins, so if I push down here, Jackson and I came up with our special snooberfish incubation system. Are you guys ready? They're gas. Can you say gas? And we breathe gas. Everybody, we breathe in a gas called oxygen. Take a deep breath, go. Now blow in your hands. When we breathe out another gas called carbon dioxide.
Carbon
Water?
dioxide.
In a lot of sodas and seltzers, it makes it fizzy and fun to drink. But if you drink too much soda, you might get a bubble in your belly and go, excuse me. Look at all this liquid. Do you remember the polyacrylate that we used? Remember how we made that stuff from the diaper? A special kind of polyacrylate here. Do you think that Jackson and I can turn that soda into sand? Using chemistry. Can I hear you say chemistry? Let's turn some soda into sand, okay? Can you sprinkle just a little bit over here? All right. A little bit more. Nice and easy to clean. Thanks to chemistry.